GM everyone, thanks for being here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your Ethereum wallet to sign up to GlueHub. Let's get started. Step one is once you have completed the previous steps, you will see that you get different options to sign up to the hub. Now go ahead and select Ethereum wallet out of all the options. Once you click on Ethereum wallet, you'll see this pop up. In this pop up, you can select the wallet that you frequently use. Now, if you don't see them here in the first few options, go ahead and click on all wallets and choose from the 500 plus options we have available. Since I use MetaMask frequently, I will go ahead and choose MetaMask so I can show you how this would work. Click on MetaMask. It will take you a different screen where it will ask you to select the account that you want to connect. In my case, I'm going to select the wallet that I want. Go ahead and click on connect. Now it will take a few seconds. Then it will come back to this page. It will give you a sign in request on the right hand side. Go ahead and click on confirm. Once you confirm, it will start logging you in. And that's how simple and easy it is to connect to the hub. Hope this helps. In the next few videos, I'm going to show you what you can do on the hub. So until then, stay tuned and have a great day.